Hey there, it's Jason here from 4XPipSnager, and today is July 17th, 2012. Here is our 2 o'clock or our 3 o'clock opening right here with this red line, like I always say. And basically, we had no, it was not. Let me show you. Okay. It looked like we were breaking through support, but we weren't. They were selling off of there. They sold off again. And it finally did it this time, but that was not that was just buying a dip. That wasn't our ultimate entry like over here somewhere when the line first crossed over. The trigger crossed over the trend lines. Okay, so anyway, there was a dip to buy here. If you bought here, well, you lost on that trade about 10 pips as when this crossed over. Okay, so there was no trade there. Then when everything lined up over here to go short in here somewhere, and to break through the support through here. And then right in here you could have sold, and it didn't go anywhere for the longest time. And then Mr. Famous Bernanke started going blah 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 blah, and down it went, as you can see. So if you did sell it in here and held on and held on, well, you made a few pips today, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so let's go on now to the 1 minute, and we'll take off the auto scroll and we'll go check that out. Okay, so here is 2 o'clock. Broke through the support. You would have sold it here. You only got 6 pips out of it with the spread, maybe 4 pips, and then it went the other way. And it said bye-bye for the short side. Okay, it didn't turn blue till over here. There was no trade over here. This would have been the trade here, but the filter was black. So there was no other trade other than that trade right there once we broke through the support, but it hardly went anywhere. There's no sell trade. The filter did not agree. And right here was our 2-hour window of opportunity closed right here. Okay, so anyway, that's it for the 1 minute. Let's go take a look now at the pound and see what it gave us. Okay, so we broke through support here. Didn't turn red till in here. So if you sold right here, your stop would have been around 30, 35 pips. It came down about 30 pips or so. Okay. And then if you held on to it, well, it eventually moved down around 86 pips, which would have gave you your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio or your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Okay, so let's take a quick look now at the Swiss. And the Swiss is the opposite of the euro, same deal. If you did get in and bought a dip in here somewhere, same deal, went nowhere, went sideways. Then Mr. Bernanke went blah, 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 and zoom up it went, okay? Anyway, if you held on, you made some pipskis, which is 75 pips to the top. Not that you would have made 75 pips, but somewhere you would have got out, and you would have made some pips. Okay, so that's it for Snagger for today for the setups. Thanks for listening. You guys have a great, great day.